guy named Cody broke the stock sealed record for the 3.7 liter. Which also made him the fastest MT82 Cyclone ever run down a quarter mile. But just recently, that changed again. A guy by the name of Tyler, you guys were in the Cyclone 3.7 liter Mustang group, you know, just broke that record again. So now he also ran 10.3, but it was a little bit quicker. 10.3. I don't have the extra couple hundredths top of my head here, but I'll put them in the video right here. So this was Cody's record, and this is Tyler's record. Both stock sealed engines, no internal parts ever replaced in the factory that way. I remember when I was running the Cyclone, and I was like within the top 20 people, like all together. This is like years ago, and now I'm like barely even in the top 40. Like the amount of people that are pushing these cars lately is just freaking insane. I love seeing it. So I know you guys love seeing it too. So Tyler asked me if I wanted to put up a video of this car. I said, of course I do. So here's that video. Enjoy, guys. Peace.